Hi Prof, my name is Anai and today I'm gonna show you the 6 forms of expression of the verb to be with examples. Let's do it. Okay, this presentation belongs to the FCH level 2, specifically with the task number 3. Today is August 21st of 2020. Let me show you. As I already say in the presentation at the beginning, we have 6 forms of expression of the verb to be. The first one is affirmative. And my example is, you are a student. Easy. Peasy lemon squeezy. Then we have the negative form. This is the opposite of the first one. You're not a student. As you can see, we use a contraction. With the third form, we have yes or no question. As the name it says, when we use this form, we only want to know an answer, yes or no, and that's it, no more information. For that case, to give more information, we have the WH question. In this case, we use these words to have more information. With who, it's for someone. What, it's like a thing. When, it's about time. Which, it's like to choose, like cuál. Then where, that it refers to a place. How, it's like a process. And why is to know the reason. For example, to this form, I use why are you a student? Then we have the negative question. As the name says, you are asking with a negative form. In this case, aren't you a student? As the meaning that I use. And the last one is the tag question. As you can see, we are mixing like 2 forms. In this case, you're a student, you're affirming something, and then you ask with a negative question. It could be a twist. You use a negative form, and then you use a question with a positive form. And just for a conclusion, we have affirmative, we have negative, we have yes or no question, WH question, negative question, and tag question. This is everything for me. I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you on the next session. Take care of you and have a nice weekend.